that fucking build up over the years.
There he goes, making a turn. Somebody's calling me on my phone.
Shit.
Who's calling me on my phone?
Well, they said it wasn't that bad if I was able to pass it in the bathroom that easily. I don't know what happened.
Demos!
Mark,
What's up?
you going to work tonight?
Yes, I am.
You're going to take the train because I don't think I'm going to go tonight.
Okay.
Right? Because it's going to snow a lot. I'm not going to move the car.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of snow.
I don't know if I go to work, but I don't know.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
Because I park right in front, and then when I come, it's going to be a mess.
I know, the hardest thing is when you get back from work, it's finding a spot because all the snow's all over the place.
Oh, yeah.
So,
I don't know if I'm going to go tonight. I don't think I'm going to go.
sure, just take off, that's all, no problem.
Yeah.
This way you enjoy Sunday, you know?
I worked last night.
Yeah, it was cold.
Huh?
It's a cold night.
Yeah, last night, the night before I worked.
Yeah, wow.
But, no, tonight it's gonna snow a lot.
Yeah.
It's gonna start 6 o'clock. So,
Yeah, well, you made it up, so that's good for the weekend.
yeah.
Nobody's gonna say nothing.
If they say what they're gonna say.
I know. Nobody could say nothing.
I don't care.
Yeah. Alright, so you enjoy.
Alright, Mark.
Okay, alright, take care.
I call you now because I don't want to
You got it.
go to sleep and I call you.
Yeah, get some rest.
Alright.
Okay, take care.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Yeah, I gotta take the train tonight to work.
Holy shit.
There's gonna be a
Is it really
snowstorm.
gonna be a snowstorm tonight?
That's what they're saying. That's what my newscast is saying on here.
Damn.
That's what it's saying. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.